and welcome to the DPM Christmas special. First off, we just want to say a big thanks to everyone that's subscribed to the channel, liked the videos and everything like that. If you haven't, then please do subscribe. But firstly, let's show you how happy everyone is. It's Christmas! Hey, roll the intro! Right, so in this episode today we have this stunning Porsche Cayman GTS in. It's a good client of ours. He likes to keep his cars absolutely immaculate, so it's in for a full front end repaint due to just heavy stone chips, as well as removing the side skirts and again addressing them because again they're quite stone chipped. It's then going for a full detail and then PPF, so let's get it on the ramp and get it stripped down. Is now all ready for primer and masked up in the booth. Whenever we're doing bonnets with stone chips and bits, we always tend to paint strip of the area with the stone chips in it just to get the paint off quicker. After doing so, we realised that the bonnet had been done a few times, so we've just stripped the paint off the whole bonnet and we're just going to bare metal it and start again. So I'm going to get that epoxy primed up now, as well as then getting some high build primer and all the repairs, so the bumper and the side skirts as well. So let's get some paint mixed up. So it's the next day now. These panels have had a bake, so I'm going to get the bonnet and the bumper blocked down because the bumpers had the front end, the number plate recess all smoothed off, so we're going to block that through to make sure it's nice and flat. And the bonnet, again, where we bare metaled it, I want to make sure that panel's nice and flat as well. So yeah, I'm going to get set up now, get these blocked down, DA them out, then we're going to colour scan it and get some paint mixed up and mask it up for some paint. That's the car all masked up. Let's mix up some paint and get this baby done. That's the Porsche all painted now. It came out really nice off the gun, but we're going to go around and give it a flat and polish now just to really get it to its highest standards. So let's go get it done.
Do not carry off my moon. Won't you bring her back to me? Bring her back to me. Oh, joy of the birds, sharing a nest is why they sing. A nest is why they sing. Compassion stirs as they pluck their strings. become one soul, composed of two wings. Compassion surges as they pluck the strings, become one soul, composed of two wings. Love soul, heart sinks deep at night. His love will rise with the dawn, rise with the dawn. As his brush drips fusion, he paints the sky upon that which he has drawn. Compassion stirs as they pluck their strings, become one soul, composed of two. Compassion serves as they pluck the strings, become one soul, composed of two wings. Love soul, heart soul. Brings tides as she swims on high, swims on high. Our heart will sail across the sky, across the sky.
Porsche all completed with us now. It's been a nice break-up doing a modern car like this as opposed to a lot of the classic cars that we do here. It's now gonna, in the new year, going to have a full detail and PPF as well, which will really finish this car off. So that's it for this episode and for this year actually. So have a great Christmas everyone, and please like and subscribe and all that sort of stuff. See you next time. Keep his cars.
Sorry.
And repaint due to just pebble dashing and not pebble dashing. That is actually a thing, isn't it? But
I think that's why you down the back of the toilet. Fairly sure it's right.
Well,
if you know the answer, write in.
Actually, always like doing jobs for. No, I'm just fucking around. Just drop down. Like this, really. So I'm just rambling on now. I'm just talking crap, aren't I? Just cut. And get it painted. I've said a lot about painting it up now, haven't I?
We're gonna paint it.
Did you